This is my project called Weather by Asten. This is a little city. Here's a mountain. Here's another one and another mountain. Here's a little river, a little lake that's coming down because this is melting, because the sun is right here. It's melting the snow. And there's a flood right here. And it's kind of like a little flood right here. Here, this says water cycle. This is evaporation, which is part of the water cycle. So how evaporation happens is that the sun heats up the water, and then the water, once it's heated up a little bit, when it's heated up too much, it goes up into the cloud. And here's the cloud. And I want to do a little demonstration of what it's like. My mommy made these, and they're little raindrops. And this is my mom, my dad helped me make this. And while they're doing it, they bumping all around, and that all bumps around, and it forms lightning. If you want to see lightning, I'm just gonna put it like right here. And they bump all around, and now they are all now, and then after that they come down because and they all come down. And I'm going to put this over so you can see that. This says lightning. Lightning. Here is ball lightning. It looks like a ball, but it's very rare. Once it hits the ground, it explodes a big circle around it. And now I have a song to tell you. And don't worry, I already know how to sing it. 2, 1. Electricity gathers in the cloud when frozen bits of ice and rain are bumping all around. Electricity leaping toward the ground. Lightning is a flash of light, and thunder is its sound. Any questions? Patrick.
Why you had your project on this and was learning that do magic?
You mean about wait, what do you mean again?
Why did you do your project on this?
Why did I do it?
Magic.
Why I did it on weather? Because I was very curious. Question.
What's your key question?
How was the first cloud made? Doug.
Why did you say the raindrops flow?
Okay.
What are the raindrops flow? What are the raindrops for?
Here's a little thing of it. I forgot to mention this. So right here is like a little lake. Wait, how do raindrops form? Oh, how the raindrops fall. They go, there's bottom layers and top layers of rain. And so when the top layers combine, it makes bigger ones on the top. Or if the small ones combine, lower levels combine, they make bigger ones on the bottom. And once they're too large, they fall down to the ground. Next question is going to Ms. Gately.
So you've done amazing research, it looks like, Asten, on so many different parts. While you're doing your research, did you find any connection with what your key question was and collaboration? Did you find any connection?
Oh, yes. So the sun, any type of water source, and the cloud all work together to make part of the water cycle. Or evaporation. Seneca.
How does the stick go up?
What did you say? Oh, how this goes up? Oh, there's little strings here.
It's invisible. I see it.
This is right.
I loved your song. It had so much information in it, and you talked about it having that there was electricity in the sky, and then the lightning came. Can you talk a little bit more about that? Do you know how that happened?
Yeah, that was part of it. When the rain and ice are bumping all around, that's when lightning forms. And thunder is only a lightning sound.
Two more questions.
Bryce.
So the lightning makes a thunder sound?
Yes. Once it makes a booming sound. I forgot his name, but Kieran.
Why did you want your project on this?
Oh, because I was wondering multiple things. How were clouds made? How was rain made? And also, how was lightning made? 3, 1.
All right, wonderful job. You are truly an expert about weather. My goodness.